Traffic movement, keeping a watch on the traffic violators, so also in detecting various crimes.
It's really an honor for us to have you amidst us in Verna. Of course, you were here for 4 years in beginning of 2000 in South, where we are currently. We have been associated thanks to Kochkar and right now SPPO South. We have been together working with the police, Verna Industries Association and Verna Police since the time Kochkar was the president, and SPPO South now, he was PI Verna then. We started off with a simple gym for Verna Police under health and fitness, and from there it has carried on, and we've had many associations together. And it's really good to see the synergy with which Verna Police and Verna Industries Association have been working. I was telling SP Saab actually that thankfully we don't have much incidences of crime and this around Verna, but we do need some support in a couple of areas.
Forwards, approaching the police with the various industry. And what further I can tell you, people are awaiting. We have to be somewhere, police and the entrepreneurs have to be on same page. We have to be on the same page on board. Things will be automatic sorted out. This CCTV camera is not only for industrial, it is for entire Goa, entire citizen. It is going to add millions and millions safety measures. So gentlemen, entrepreneurs, dear friends, I am very happy. On behalf of Goa Police, I thanks to all of you. You have taken such a milestone which others industrial estates, others person will also follow. In fact, every police station I told, you create one small unit with one constable. See that wherever the camera is faulty, take a mechanic and repair that. That much we can help you. Ponda is doing, Vasco is doing, and to check the criminal CCTV we must have. And moreover, drunken driving cases are also in Goa. Every day we have about 18 to 20 drunken driving person we are getting. It is so pathetic. When an innocent will lose their life, we don't know. But by these all measures we have to take, these preventive measures we have to take. And now in the case of drunken driving, rash and negligence, we are not only issuing the traffic challan, rather than we are arresting the person. Until unless his hangover is not down, he is not going out of the police station. And we are waiting his wife and the children to give him a bail. Then we will charge sheet the case, let you fight in the court. Problem is with us. Solution is with us. I am not copying what other states has done, what that metro city has done. I am not interested at all. I am interested, my solution is like with my people. And we are the agency who has to give 100% foolproof protection to the citizens, whether it is a day or whether it is a night, whatever time it may be. And in this way, Goa Police is proceeding with all of you. Still, I will request the sense of security in our various institutions and establishments is not there that much, what we require. Because both stakeholders has to join it. Alone, neither you will be successful nor I will be successful. So anytime this entire security, entire Verna state, they require a foolproof blueprint, like what we are doing for Prime Minister, Home Minister and other institutions. One blueprint is there. In this time what we will do, that time what we will do, how many manpower, how many technology we are going to, how to monitor, how the big data mines, how we could analysis all this, how we can preempt these things. Now the time of technology is there. And it's a good beginning.